Papa of PaPa's page, and this is Cast Iron Wednesday. And today we're going to cook Cajun pork roast. Today we're going to make a rub out of paprika, oregano, thyme, garlic powder, crushed red peppers, white pepper, cumin, and nutmeg. And we'll get back with you. I have the rub mixed up, so now I'll put the pork roast in the skillet here. And we'll put a little bit of olive oil on it. And we will put the rub on it. And now we're going to put it in the fridge for a couple hours. It's been 2 hours. I took the pork roast out of the frying pan and cleaned it up since there was so much rub in it. And now I have put a good coat of oil on the bottom, and we'll get the pork roast out of the fridge and put it in the skillet. The oven has been preheated, so we're ready to go in the oven. And we'll show it to you when it's done. Looks like we're done. I'll see if I can find us a taste tester. Found a taste tester. While the meat was cooking, I also made vegetables and cornbread, but it's not dinner time, so she just wanted a little sample. So here we go.
Go ahead.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave us a big thumbs up.